Calatheas are admired for their stunning foliage, but beyond the common varieties lie rare and unseen treasures. These unique plants captivate with unusual patterns, bold colors, and intricate leaf designs. Each rare calathea brings an exotic elegance, transforming any indoor space into a vibrant showcase of natural artistry. Let's quickly explore the unseen varieties of calathea. Calathea vechiana medallion is a striking plant with bold, rounded leaves showcasing deep green patterns and rich purple undersides. Calathea roseopicta dotti is a dramatic variety with dark, almost black leaves, highlighted by vivid pink outlines and striking patterns. Calathea roseopicta rosea features broad, rounded leaves with a soft pink center, surrounded by dark green edges and purple undersides. Calathea roseopicta illustris showcases deep green leaves with lighter green feather-like patterns and a subtle pink midrib, complemented by purple undersides. Calathea roseopicta eclipse displays bold, dark green to nearly black leaves with striking pink streaks and a vibrant purple underside, creating dramatic contrast. Calathea shining star boasts glossy, dark green leaves adorned with light green feathered patterns and pink accents, complemented by rich purple undersides. Calathea roseopicta corona features elegant, silvery green leaf centers framed by dark green edges, with a delicate pink outline and purple undersides. Calathea roseopicta angela presents soft pink-centered leaves bordered by deep green edges, highlighted with subtle feathered patterns and rich purple undersides. Calathea princess Jessie stands out with dark green leaves accented by bold pink veins and edges, paired with deep purple undersides. Calathea makoyana, commonly known as the peacock plant, displays striking light green leaves patterned with dark green ovals, resembling peacock feathers, with purple undersides. Calathea musaica, known as the network calathea, features small, intricate mosaic-like leaf patterns of light and dark green, creating a delicate, netted appearance. Calathea concinna freddi showcases elongated, light green leaves with dark green feather-like stripes, giving it a fresh, airy, and elegant appearance. Calathea concinna leopardina displays slender, light green leaves patterned with dark green, elongated spots resembling leopard markings, paired with soft, pale undersides. Calathea orbifolia is admired for its large, round leaves marked with bold, silvery green stripes over a lush green background, creating a striking display. Calathea lancifolia, commonly called the rattlesnake plant, features long, lance-shaped leaves with dark green markings on light green tops and rich purple undersides. Calathea zebrina, often called the zebra plant, has velvety, oval leaves with bold light and dark green stripes resembling zebra patterns. Calathea flamestar captivates with its striking foliage, featuring deep green leaves patterned with bright lime green brushstrokes and undersides flushed with rich purple. Calathea leetsii yellow fusion is a rare beauty with variegated leaves blending green, creamy white, and vibrant yellow tones, paired with purple undersides. Calathea leetsii white fusion is highly sought after for its marbled foliage, showcasing shades of green, white, and lavender with elegant purple undersides. Calathea leetsii misto features soft green leaves with delicate silvery patterns and subtle variegation, complemented by contrasting purple undersides for added charm. Calathea leetsii royal standard presents broad green leaves with elegant silver streaks and soft variegation, contrasted beautifully by its deep purple undersides. Calathea leetzi Helen Kennedy showcases striking variegated foliage with blends of green, cream, and soft yellow tones, highlighted by its contrasting purple undersides. Calathea louise Moi Queen is an elegant variety with elongated dark green leaves featuring delicate white feather-like midribs and rich purple undersides. Marantha leuconura, commonly known as the prayer plant, features oval green leaves with striking red veins and lighter green patterns, folding upright at night. Calathea amabilis displays elongated, dark green leaves with subtle light green stripes and soft purple undersides, creating a graceful, textured appearance. Calathea crocata, commonly called eternal flame, features glossy, dark green leaves with vibrant orange-yellow flowers, creating a striking contrast with its rich purple undersides. Calathea crocata by Kajuk's gecko showcases dark green foliage with bright, fiery orange flowers, paired with deep purple undersides, offering a vibrant tropical appeal. Calathea crocata by Kajuk's cobra features glossy dark green leaves with striking flowers, complemented by rich purple undersides for a dramatic tropical look. Calathea roseopicta crimson displays deep green leaves with bold crimson-pink markings and contrasting purple undersides, creating a vivid and elegant appearance. Calathea roseopicta purple rose features dark green leaves with soft purple-pink veins and highlights, paired with deep purple undersides for striking contrast. Calathea fasciata showcases elongated green leaves with silvery green stripes and subtle purple undersides, offering a graceful and textured foliage display. Calathea rufibarba, also called the furry feather, has long, velvety green leaves with wavy edges and soft reddish-purple undersides, creating a unique, textured look. Calathea coptica features large, glossy green leaves with subtle silvery patterns and deep purple undersides, giving it an elegant and tropical appearance. Calathea picturata silver plate showcases striking silver leaf centers edged in deep green, contrasted beautifully with rich purple undersides for a bold display. Calathea picturata argentea presents elegant silvery grey leaf centers bordered by deep green edges, highlighted with purple undersides for a refined, ornamental look. Calathea picturata silver star displays shimmering silver-green leaf centers framed by dark green edges, complemented by rich purple undersides for striking contrast. Calathea pilosa is a rare variety with elongated green leaves marked by delicate lighter patterns, paired with soft purple undersides for contrast. Calathea lawsoneri, often called the star calathea, features broad, lance-shaped green leaves with subtle feathered patterns and pale purple undersides. Calathea ornata sanderiana is admired for its deep green leaves adorned with fine, elegant pink pinstripes and contrasted by rich purple undersides. Calathea ornata beauty star features elongated deep green leaves highlighted with light green and pink streaks, complemented by contrasting purple undersides for elegance. Calathea vorswixi, known as jungle velvet, has velvety, dark green leaves with lighter feather-like patterns and deep purple undersides, creating lush elegance. Calathea roseopicta green goddess features lush green leaves with intricate lighter green feathered patterns on top and matching green undersides, creating an elegant, all-green appearance. Calathea leetzi majestic star displays striking elongated leaves with bold silvery green patterns on top, complemented by deep green undersides for a regal appearance. Calathea roseopicta surprise star Features dark green leaves with vibrant pink star-shaped patterns and lighter green accents, creating a striking, eye-catching display. Calathea stella dazzles with its wide, glossy leaves patterned in bold, fan-like stripes of green and silver, giving a sculptural, dramatic tropical look. Calathea bella carlina features rich green leaves with striking silver-green veins and subtle light green accents, creating a graceful, textured foliage display. Calathea insignis displays long, lance-shaped leaves with striking dark green patterns over lighter green backgrounds, giving a dramatic, architectural tropical look.